In this video, we are going to be looking at the appointment search and free slot search functionality within System 1. These are two options that appear above your rotas on either the appointment ledger, appointment overview or activity diary screen. The shortcuts for these are F9 for the appointment search and Control F9 for the free slot search. I'll go through some examples of when these can be useful. So firstly, the appointment search allows you to search for a patient's name or NHS number or date of birth and then display the future appointments for that patient. It will show the status of any appointment, for example if they've got any cancelled future appointments. Right-clicking also gives you the same options as right-clicking on a booked appointment. So some useful ones might be amending details about the appointment, perhaps changing what the appointment is for, or sending a reminder text. There is an option at the bottom, as well as the right click, to mark an appointment as arrived. I'll explain a couple of scenarios where F9, the appointment search, can be useful. In a larger organisation where there are lots of rotas on your appointment screen, if I was a receptionist checking people in, instead of having to scroll through the rotas to find the patient, I could search for their name by hitting F9, finding the relevant appointment for the day and marking it as arrived. Another scenario could be I am on the front desk at a clinic and one patient has asked me to do a printout for their vaccination history, for instance. I am in the record doing this for them, and then another patient lets me know they've arrived for their appointment. Instead of having to stop what I'm doing, I can hit F9 on my keyboard, search for the second patient's name, mark them as arrived, and then go back to printing out the vaccinations for the first patient. So now the free slot search option. This lets me select different criteria in order to find appropriate appointments available. The top half of the screen are the filters and the bottom half are the results. For instance, I'm looking for a male doctor that is available within the next 2 weeks on any day at any site in my organisation. The appointment needs to be a routine session and a routine slot. The system displays on the bottom half of the screen the relevant free rotas that it has found. The first available one has the details of the rota displayed, so the staff member's name, etc., and the first slot time that is free. Right-clicking gives the same options as right-clicking on a free slot, so I can book an appointment straight from here. Note that there is a column which tells you the number of appointments free within this rota. So I can zoom to the rota and see the other times that are available, and then right-click for my booking options. Selecting close will take me back to my appointment screen. It might also be useful to watch the free slot search configuration video to see how you can set up defaults for the free slot search functionality.